Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate your United Bank debit card. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in unitedbank.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for United Bank, from where you will need to first log into your online banking account. Click the login button at the top right hand corner and then select your banking type from the list. And then enter your username and password in the respective text boxes. If you're not yet enrolled into online banking for United Bank, make sure you do by clicking on the enroll link and following through the registration process. After filling in your username and password, click on the login button. And once you're logged into your account, look for the debit card activation option and then follow through the instructions and enter your debit card information that should be activated. You can also activate your debit card by calling on the activation phone number provided on the sticker affixed to your new debit card. Make sure to reach out to the Contact Us page from your official website, and then you will be able to come across the toll-free numbers from where you can make a call and use it in order to activate your debit card. So that is how you should be able to activate your United Bank debit card in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.